One-pot wonders. The busy person's kitchen savior. Hey there, busy bees. Are you constantly on the go, feeling like there's never enough time in the day? Life moves fast, doesn't it? From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, it's a whirlwind of activities. We're always rushing, always juggling a million things, work, family, errands, and everything in between. Who has time to cook elaborate meals? The thought of spending hours in the kitchen can be overwhelming. But guess what? Eating healthy doesn't have to mean spending hours in the kitchen. You can whip up something nutritious and delicious without the hassle. That's where the magic of one-pot meals comes in. These meals are a game changer for anyone with a busy lifestyle. One-pot meals are exactly what they sound like. All the ingredients go into one pot. It's as simple as that. Easy to make, easy to clean. No more spending hours scrubbing multiple dishes. Perfect for those crazy weeknights when you're short on time but still want a delicious home-cooked meal. Imagine coming home and having dinner ready in no time. No more juggling multiple pots and pans. Just one pot to focus on, making cooking a breeze. No more mountains of dishes to wash, just a quick cleanup and you're done. Just pure, simple cooking that fits your busy schedule. It's all about making life easier and more enjoyable. Ready to dive in? Let's get cooking. With one-pot meals, you'll have more time to enjoy the things you love. Less time cleaning, more time living. Let's face it, nobody loves doing dishes. The endless scrubbing, the piles of dirty plates, it can be overwhelming. With one-pot cooking, cleanup is a breeze. Imagine only having one pot to wash after a delicious meal. One pot, one bowl, maybe a cutting board. That's it. No more cluttered countertops or overflowing sinks. More time to relax, spend time with loved ones, or pursue your passions. Imagine the joy of having more free time. But it's not just about saving time, it's about enhancing your quality of life. One-pot meals are incredibly versatile and packed with nutrients. You can make anything from hearty stews to light, flavorful stir-fries. You can create dishes bursting with flavor using fresh, wholesome ingredients. Load up on veggies, lean proteins, and healthy grains. The possibilities are endless. It's all about making healthy eating easy and enjoyable. No more sacrificing nutrition for convenience. Think of all the amazing things you can do with all that extra time. The world is your oyster. Go for a walk, read a book, catch up with friends. Rediscover the simple pleasures in life. One-pot cooking gives you the gift of time so you can focus on what matters most. Embrace the freedom and live your best life. Easy peasy one-pot recipes. Dinner is served. Ready to get cooking? Let's dive into some delicious and simple recipes that will make your dinner time a breeze. Here are a couple of my favorite one-pot wonders that are sure to become family favorites. These meals are not only tasty, but also save you time on cleanup. Lemon herb chicken and veggies. In a large pot or Dutch oven, brown some chicken thighs with a little olive oil. The key is to get a nice golden crust on the chicken for extra flavor. Add in chopped carrots, celery, potatoes, and your favorite herbs like rosemary and thyme. These veggies not only add nutrition but also a beautiful color to the dish. Pour in some chicken broth, squeeze in a lemon, and season with salt and pepper. The lemon adds a refreshing tang that balances the richness of the chicken. Let it simmer until the chicken is cooked through and the veggies are tender. This slow cooking process allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully. Spicy sausage and black bean fiesta. Sauté some onions and bell peppers with olive oil until softened. The aroma of sautéing onions and peppers is simply irresistible. Add in your favorite spicy sausage, chorizo or Italian sausage work great, and cook until browned. The sausage adds a wonderful depth of flavor and a bit of heat. Stir in black beans, diced tomatoes, corn, and a sprinkle of chili powder and cumin. These ingredients create a hearty and satisfying meal with a touch of spice. Simmer until everything is heated through and the flavors have melded. See? Easy peasy. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. These recipes are just a starting point. Feel free to customize them to suit your taste and dietary preferences. Get creative and experiment with different flavors, veggies, and proteins. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, these one-pot meals are sure to impress. Section 4. Picking your pot and your produce. A few helpful hints. Choosing the right cookware can make all the difference. A Dutch oven is a one-pot cooking hero. It's great for both stovetop simmering and oven baking. A large pot or deep skillet will also do the trick for most recipes. Now let's talk ingredients. Fresh is always best, but don't be afraid to use frozen veggies when you're short on time. They're just as nutritious and super convenient. When it comes to protein, you've got options. chicken, sausage, ground beef, tofu, beans, take your pick. And don't forget about whole grains like quinoa or brown rice to make your one-pot meal a complete and satisfying meal. Section 5. Spice up your life, one pot at a time. Congratulations, you've officially joined the One Pot Cooking Club. It's all about making life easier, healthier, and tastier, all at the same time. So ditch the takeout menus, grab your favorite pot, and get cooking. Remember, one-pot cooking isn't just about following recipes, it's about creating delicious memories around the dinner table with the people you love. So go ahead, embrace the simplicity, and enjoy the delicious journey.